Hope you're well. I'm Arsalan, and this is Trading Robot. The Ichimoku Bot trading assistant robot is a bestseller. I'll show you how to trade with the new version. Next, about the free signal channel for this robot. Let's begin. On the Ichimoku robot page, click to purchase for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or annually. Prices may rise soon due to update costs, but for now, it's the same. We want to talk about the free signal channel of this robot. On the Ichimoku robot page, click to purchase for 1, 3, 6 months, or annually. Prices may rise soon due to increased costs, but for now, it's the same price. We made a video about the earlier version, which remains available. The update improved signal quality and win rate by 30% with more signals. A new feature lets you access the previous version with one button in settings, like having 2 robots in one. This special Ichimoku version, named Ichimoku offers fast signals since last year. We previously made a video about the earlier Ichimoku robot, which is still available. We've updated it, improving signal quality and win rate by 30%, and increasing signal numbers. A new feature lets you access the previous version with one button in settings, like having 2 robots in one. This special Ichimoku version, named Ichimoku provides fast signals. Since last year, USD/JPY gave a trend and buy signal. Look at what happened next. Use this robot on any trading view chart: Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, USD to CHF, oil, across all time frames. This sell signal just appeared. With this version, you get 2 robots in one. Ichimoku offers fast signals. Since last year, USD/JPY has given trend and buy signals. Use this robot on any trading view chart: Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, USD to CHF, oil. The USD/JPY has given a trend signal and a buy signal. Use this robot on any trading view chart. It works on Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, USD to CHF, oil, and all time frames. This sell signal appeared suddenly. Set it to 15-minute, 1-minute, or daily charts, and it gives signals. It works like an on-screen indicator. With a subscription fee possibly half a trade cost, it's affordable. As in our tutorials, I'll show recent trades and how I traded them, this one included. So, let's dive into it. It works on all charts, 15-minute, 1-minute, or daily, giving signals. It's affordable. With a subscription fee possibly half a trade's cost. You can make moves with it. In our tutorial videos, I'll show you recent trades and methods. Now, on a 5-minute chart, I backtested the last 5 days. We are live. And the last trade was a sell. That sell isn't in the backtest. But let's focus on a trading method with this robot. Make moves like this with it. I'll show recent trades and how I executed them. Let's dive in. We're on a 5-minute chart. I backtested the last 5 days. We're live now, and the last trade was a sell. Focus on a trading method with this robot. Draw a trend line from here. 5 days is a good time frame for strategy. Start here, and I'll go back a bit. As we proceed, I'll explain the strategy. It consists of 2 parts. Let's start the training. Draw a trend line from here. 5 days is a good time frame, basically a week. A solid scale for a strategy. Use replay mode for comfort. Let's start. I'll go back, then break down the strategy. The strategy has 2 parts. Add the robot to see Ichimoku and trend indicators. Notice arrows for trend direction and signals. There are 4 signals. In settings, turn off cross arrows and Kijin. Tenkan lines to remove signals. I'll outline the strategy. Adding the robot shows Ichimoku and trend indicators. Arrows show trend direction or buy-sell signals. 4 signals are available. Disable cross arrows and Kijin/Tenkan lines in settings to remove signals. The Pro version adds more signals with less accuracy when a box is checked. It provides better signals. Access both versions with 1 click. Previously, sell signals are now trend signals. Arrows indicate trend or buy-sell. Disable cross arrows and Kijin/Tenkan lines in settings to remove signals. Pro version box gives more signals, less accuracy. Better signals in this version. 1-click access to both versions. Old sell signals now trend signals for new strategy. Live market gave a trend signal. Candle shows upward trend, no trade now. Wait for trend direction signal. Trend up, look for buy signal. This Pro version has this feature that when checked, changes to give more signals, but less accuracy. This version gives better signals. Access both versions with 1 click. Previously, we had sell signals, now changed to trend signals. Now, in the live market, it gave a trend signal. This candle showed an upward trend, so no trade. We wait for a trend direction signal. With an upward trend, we seek a buy signal. We wait for a buy signal. We are following the live market, which just signaled an upward trend. We're not trading yet. We wait for a buy signal. I enter at the candle's close. The stop loss is placed at the previous swing or, if too far, at the previous knot. A trading knot formed here, so we place it there. For Ichimoku users, note the flat Ichimoku cloud as a support resistance point. Place the stop below it. I used both methods, below the knot and the cloud. We aim for a 1.5 risk-reward ratio, adjusting until it's met, then enter the trade. The market fluctuates, causing stress, but eventually moves into profit. If the swing is too far, place it on the lower knot. A trading knot is here, so place it here. For Ichimoku users, the cloud's flat point is a good support resistance. Place the stop lower than this flat area. I used both methods, stop below the knot and cloud. Aim for a 1.5 risk-reward ratio, adjust until it hits, then trade. It fluctuates, causes stress, but hits the target. Profit was 31%. With 20 leverage, it's 6 to 12%, reasonable for 5 minutes. The trade took 3 hours. At the end, I'll discuss these signals. Place the stop loss here, placing the stop below the trading knot and cloud. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1.5. Adjust until it hits 1.5, then enter the trade. It fluctuates, dips into loss, then profits. The result? 31%. With leverage 20, it's 6 to 12%. How long did the trade take? It completed in 3 hours. It shows 31%. I used a leverage of 20, common in forex, but not too high. This leverage gives 6 to 12% for 5 minutes, reasonable. The trade took 3 hours. We send these signals free via Telegram. No need to sit by the chart, stay till the end for a surprise. For Ichimoku users, trade with other components. We found 2 strategies, one in each video. It gave a sell signal, but the trend is upward. We will send you a Telegram for free. Ichimoku users can trade with other components. We found 2 strategies, one before, one here. It gave a sell signal. Enter only when the trend turns down and gives a sell signal. Now the trend is up, so look for buy signals. This sell signal expired, meaning a sell signal is expired. Order, trend first, then signal. If anything comes between, the market is choppy. We're waiting to identify a new trend through the robot. It's still showing an upward trend, so let's see if we get a buy signal. It gives when the trend is down and a flood of giving comes in. Right now, the trend is still upward, and we should be looking for buy signals. However, this sell signal has caused it to expire, meaning when you get a sell signal, it's basically expired. The order should be exactly like this, the trend first, then the signal. If anything comes in between, it means the market is getting choppy. Right now, we're waiting to identify a new trend through the robot. It's still showing an upward trend, so let's see if we get a buy signal. No buy signal. Here, both trend and sell signals are on the same candle. This boosts signal strength, allowing simultaneous trend and sell signals. Enter trade. At candle close, remove sell, cloud and trend signals, both together. Enter trade at candle close. Stop loss at previous swing, if too far. Place at previous knot or above cloud. Not much. Distance now, so percentage difference isn't significant. Placing at knot. When this situation arises, it boosts your signal strength significantly, allowing both the trend and sell signals simultaneously. We entered the trade at the candle's close. Remove sell cloud signal, also gave trend signal. Both signals together, enter trade at candle close. Stop loss at previous swing, or if far, at trading knot or above cloud. Distance minor, place at knot. Enter trade, set stop loss. Risk reward 1.5 or 2, here 2, signal strong. Trade and see rewards. Let's proceed. I've removed the sell cloud signal, which was giving us both a sell and trend signal. We're entering the trade at the candle's close, placing the stop loss at the previous swing. If too far, use the previous knot or above the cloud. Currently, the distance isn't significant, so we place it at the knot. We've entered the trade and set the stop loss. The risk-reward ratio is set to 2 because both signals are strong. These buy signals are invalid as there was no prior trend, so we're not entering. It gave a downward trend signal, aiming for lows, setting our target. It was 32%. We continue and wait for the trend. We're entering the trade, set the stop loss. The risk-reward ratio is set to 1.5 or 2. Here, I set it to 2. Why? Because both signals came together, making it strong. See the rewards the market has in store for us. Usually, it dips a bit into the stop loss. Don't doubt this. These buy signals are no longer valid because we didn't have a trend before, so we're not entering. Then, it gave us a downward trend signal again. It's trying to hit the lows, and here it sets our target. How much was it? 32%. With a leverage of 20, that's 6 to 14% here. Now, we keep moving forward and wait for the trend to be identified for us, and we'll get signals in the direction of the trend. These buy signals are no longer valid because we didn't have a trend before, so we're not entering. Then, it gave us a downward trend signal again. It's trying to hit the lows, and here it sets our target. How much was it? 32%. With a leverage of 20, that's 6 to 14% here. Now, we keep moving forward and wait for the trend to be identified for us. Given, we get a signal in the direction of the trend. The market is ranging again. A downward trend was identified but didn't give a sell signal. Instead, it indicated an upward trend. The trend is upward, and we're entering the trade. It dips into the stop loss, then hits our target of 0.19%. With a leverage of 20, that's 3.18% from the market. We wait for the next signal. It identified an upward trend, and we're waiting for a buy signal. The market changes trends a lot when ranging. It gives us that buy signal, and we enter at the candle's close. We got a buy signal, indicating an upward trend. The strategy is unchanged, and we enter the trade. It fluctuates, often hitting the stop loss, then reaches our target of 0.19% with 20x leverage, yielding 3.18%. We move on, awaiting the next signal. Speeding up, it spots an upward trend, and we wait for a buy signal. Then, it shows a downward trend. The market often changes trend when ranging. We wait for an upward trend to signal a buy. It gives us that signal, and we enter at the candle's close, placing the stop loss, previous or next. We set the risk-reward ratio to 1.5 to 2 and get into the trade. A risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 2 for a 5-minute time frame is really excellent. Here, it hit our slippage, 10%. With a leverage of 20, that's a 2% loss. Acceptable. Trend and sell signal, enter trade. Hits target, 14%. With leverage of 20, that's 2.8%. Enter trade with trend. Stop loss below cloud or swing. Managed well. 2 signals at once. Don't use entire margin. With $1,000, don't put all in one trade. Use 10%. Risk if stop loss hits is 2 to 5%. This one hits our target. We move forward, waiting for the trend, 14%. With a leverage of 20, that's 2.8%. Place the stop loss below the cloud or previous swing. Managed it well. 2 signals at once. We don't trade with our entire margin. We might put 10% into one trade, managing risk so if the stop loss hits, it's only 2 or 5%. We get another buy signal, so we enter both trades. If the target hits, both profit. If it hits the stop loss, it might still go up. 2 signals appeared. With $1,000, we used 10% per trade. Another buy signal means we enter both trades. We used $100 for the buy. If the target hits, both profit. If it hits the stop loss, it might still rise. 2 positions are open, both in profit. The first hits the target, 0.22%. With 20x leverage, that's 4.4%. Another opportunity came up at the same level, or a different level, so why not enter? It's a buy signal again, so we're entering both. For example, we took $100 for the buy position here. If the target hits, both will be profitable. If it comes down and hits the stop loss, it might go back up again. Each of these can be traded separately. Let's see what happens with these 2 signals. We have 2 open positions, and both are in profit. The first one is about to hit the target, and here it hits our target for us, 0.22%. With a leverage of 20, that's 4.4%. Now, let's see what happens with the other one. Moving forward, it's about to hit our target. Let's see. I won't keep you long. It's crowded, about 6%. Waiting for trend and signal. Here, it gave an empty signal. Trend is upward. Ignore signal. Focus on trend. Signal ended here. Sell signal was good. Market dropped, but we won't trade. In first strategy, we take this signal. For those with me this far, I have a reward. Our signal channel with buy and sell signals. Our watch list includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Shiba, Ripple, signaled in a row. So, this is where it ends. The sell signal was really good, and the market has dropped, but according to this strategy, we won't be trading. In the first strategy, if you notice, we're also taking this signal. But for those of you who have been with me this far in the video, I have a special reward for you, and that's introducing our signal channel where we provide all these buy and sell signals for you. We've created a watch list that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Shiba, and Ripple. We provide signals for everything, from forex to gold, euro to dollar, and pound to dollar. We provide signals for euro/Swiss franc, euro/dollar, dollar/Swiss franc, and dollar/Canadian dollar. In our free signal channel, we have both the banking strategy robot, and it's called the bank strategy robot. Access it by the Ichimoku Mexican robot. In the website menu, visit the contact us section and join the robot signal channel. We'll provide signals in longer time frames. For example, for Bitcoin, the chart shows a 30-minute Mexican time frame with a downtrend. No need to sit by the chart. Just check it when given. It indicates a downtrend. Here, it gave a sell signal on the Ichimoku Mexican robot for 1 hour. It announces higher frames example. On Bitcoin, the chart shows a 30-minute Mexican time frame, downtrend confirmed. It gave a sell signal. On the Ichimoku Mexican robot for the 1 hour time frame, the banking strategy robot gave a buy signal. On euro to US dollar, high signal count, shorter time frames yield thousands daily. Robot works on free and paid trading view. Paid version adds alerts. Channel for purchasers. The robot signaled a buy on euro to US dollar, identifying upward trends. This setup allows easy use of robots. We created this channel for purchasers. Until next time, stay profitable. We also put this so that you can use the robots more easily. In addition, if you have a paid version of TradingView, of course the robot works well on the free version. But if you have a paid version, you can also add alerts via the application or notifications in email and set these for yourself on a dedicated time frame, but for everyone. This channel is for those who buy it. We've made it available for free. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me or my colleagues through the support section. We also have a FAQ section on the support page that you should definitely check out. Your question might be answered there. If not, you can ask in the Telegram channel or the support chat. Until the next video, take care and stay profitable.